I was given these two equations, AlCl3 plus BaSO4. Both are aqueous. And let's go ahead and put them in. This is plus Cl, Cl, all minus. Okay, and here we have Ba plus, and then S4. This is a minus 2. Okay, now we can write our inventory. Al is 1, Cl is 3, Ba is 1, and then we have SO4. We need to split those up, so we have 1 sulfur and 4. Sorry, I wrote that back. 4 oxygen. Now we move on to our bigger inventory, which combines both of these. Now we have, okay, so 1 here, 3 Cl, Ba, and an SO4. Sorry, just put SO4 in here. We gotta add the charges. This is a -2. This is a plus. Sorry, other. And here, pretty much, we're gonna swap these. We're gonna swap places with these. So we can write Al2 SO4 3 AQ, because it's aqueous. See, we can have, it's okay. That's right, we added 2 more because in order to be compatible, and we have to also add another one of these, plus 3, but also another 2 bariums because we added 2 more SO4, so yeah. And we added one more Al, so we need to add 1 more Cl with that. So now our inventory is looking like this. Al is now 2, Cl is now 4, B with, oh sorry, we didn't even write this one, with 4 chloride. Yes, so 3 Ba, right, 3 Ba with Cl, 4 is also aqueous. Okay, so these are those, and then we can get into our balanced equation. Oh, so we didn't finish this. S is now 3 because there are 3 SO4s. So 3, and oxygen is now 12. Yeah. Now to our balanced equation. We start off with what was given. Cl3, which is aqueous, plus BaSO4, which is also aqueous. Move over, and now plug in what is now what has changed due to the compatibility.
That radio's really loud.
Al2.
That radio's really loud.
Sorry. SO4 SO4 3 aqueous plus BA 3 Cl4, which is also aqueous. Okay, now for our complete ionic equation, A plus 3 aqueous plus Cl3 aqueous plus Ba plus 2 charge is aqueous plus S plus SO4 -2 charge aqueous is now 3Ba. This becomes 3Cl aqueous plus 2Al plus 3 charge, which is also aqueous. We're seeing a lot of aqueous. Plus 3SO4 2 aqueous. For our net ionic equation, this was tricky. There ended up being no solution since all of these are aqueous. Due to there being no compounds that will change into being insoluble.